Sports can transform lives, but different kids have different needs, and each sport offers different benefits and risks. So how do you find the best sports for you or the young people in your care? And if you're already playing, what other sports should you consider trying to build skills or just overall health? Welcome to the Healthy Sport Index, a first-of-its-kind tool to help parents, athletes, educators, and others make the most informed decisions possible so youth can get and stay involved in sports, hopefully for life. Created by the Aspen Institute in collaboration with Hospital for Special Surgery, the tool draws on the best available data and expert analysis to evaluate the health-related characteristics of the top 10 sports played by boys and by girls in high school. Here's how you use the tool. We evaluate high school sports teams in 3 areas of health: physical activity, safety, and psychosocial benefits, meaning emotional, social, and mental well-being. On the home page, you can adjust the dial based on the health criteria that matter most to you. We set the default equally across the board, but this feature allows you to evaluate the benefits and risks of sports based on your unique needs and preferences. Let's say your child is lonely and may benefit from a team sport to help him or her make friends. You can slide the psychosocial button more toward high emphasis, and the dial adjusts based on your needs. Or, let's say your child doesn't play outside much and may benefit from a sport to get active. You can slide the physical activity button more toward high emphasis, and once again, the dial adjusts based on your needs. Scroll down to see your results. Whether you adjusted the dial or not, you will see 10 boys sports and 10 girls sports listed based on their health data. Click on any sport to learn about its rankings and characteristics. Select Data to see specific health stats. Choose Compare Tool to see how your sport fares in the 3 health categories against other sports. Click Complementary Sports to read recommendations from experts on other sports and activities that can improve athletic skills and health. And finally, choose Best Practices for tips on making your sport active and safe, and to access even more resources. Original and existing research helps the Healthy Sport Index shed new light on some sports. Go to Key Findings to learn interesting facts, like boys sports generate more physical activity at practices than girls sports. And football, while carrying injury risks, offers valuable psychosocial benefits. The Healthy Sport Index helps children and their families make decisions about how to be physically active by participating in sports, and alternate sports based on a child's changing interests and roster limitations in a primary sport. All sports offer healthy benefits for young athletes, but everyone's experience is different. We created the Healthy Sport Index using the best data available to help you and your kids find the sport that's right for them.